Healthy, fast-growing hair doesn't start with expensive salon treatments or miracle shampoos. It starts at the scalp. For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on natural oils to nourish hair follicles, strengthen strands, and create the ideal environment for growth. Long before modern haircare science, oils were the secret weapon behind thick, glossy, resilient hair, and today, science is finally catching up. Hair growth is influenced by blood circulation, follicle health, scalp balance, and protection from breakage. The right oils don't just coat your hair for shine. They penetrate the scalp, feed follicles, reduce inflammation, and help prevent hair fall. Whether you're dealing with thinning edges, dryness, slow growth, or an irritated scalp, choosing the right oil can completely transform your hair journey. Here are the 10 best oils for amazing hair growth and scalp care, each offering unique benefits that work together to help your hair grow longer, stronger, and healthier than ever. Number 1. Castor oil. Castor oil is often considered the gold standard for hair growth, and for good reason. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it boosts blood circulation to the scalp, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles. This increased circulation helps awaken dormant follicles and encourages thicker growth over time. Its deeply moisturizing nature also makes castor oil excellent for reducing breakage and split ends. When massaged into the scalp, it helps fight dandruff and scalp infections due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. While its thick consistency can be intimidating, mixing it with a lighter oil makes it easier to apply and just as effective. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a classic for hair care, especially for those dealing with dryness and damage. What makes it stand out is its ability to penetrate the hair shaft rather than just sit on the surface. This reduces protein loss, which is crucial for maintaining strong, healthy hair. On the scalp, coconut oil helps soothe irritation, fight dandruff, and maintain moisture balance. Regular use strengthens hair from root to tip, preventing breakage that can make hair appear like it isn't growing. It's especially beneficial for people with coarse, curly, or chemically treated hair. Number 3. Argan oil. Often called liquid gold, argan oil is packed with antioxidants, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids that repair and protect hair. While it's widely known for adding shine and softness, it also plays an important role in scalp health. A healthy scalp is the foundation for growth, and argan oil helps reduce inflammation, dryness, and oxidative stress around hair follicles. It's lightweight, making it ideal for people who want growth support without heavy buildup. Over time, argan oil helps hair become more resilient, reducing shedding caused by breakage. Number 4. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil has gained serious attention for its hair growth potential, and research supports its effectiveness. It improves circulation to the scalp, similar to some pharmaceutical hair treatments, but without harsh side effects. This oil is especially helpful for people experiencing thinning hair or early hair loss. By stimulating follicles and reducing scalp inflammation, rosemary oil helps extend the growth phase of the hair cycle. It also has antimicrobial properties that keep the scalp clean and balanced, which is essential for consistent growth. Number 5. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is unique because it closely mimics the natural sebum produced by the scalp. This makes it incredibly effective for regulating oil production, whether your scalp is too dry or overly oily. By unclogging hair follicles and providing lightweight moisture, jojoba oil creates an optimal environment for hair growth. It strengthens strands at the root, reduces hair fall, and adds natural shine without weighing hair down. For people with sensitive scalps, jojoba oil is often a game changer. Number 6. Olive oil. Olive oil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a powerful hair treatment. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, it deeply conditions both the scalp and hair strands. It helps soften dry scalp, reduce irritation, and protect follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Olive oil also improves elasticity, making hair less prone to snapping during brushing or styling. While it doesn't directly stimulate new growth like some essential oils, it preserves length by preventing breakage and strengthening existing hair. Number 7. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil brings a refreshing, cooling sensation that signals increased blood flow to the scalp. This stimulation helps deliver nutrients to hair follicles, encouraging stronger and faster growth. It's particularly effective for people with itchy or inflamed scalps, as it helps calm irritation while promoting circulation. Peppermint oil can also help reduce excessive oiliness and dandruff, keeping the scalp clean and energized. Because it's potent, it's best used diluted with a carrier oil. Number 8. Almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and omega fatty acids, all of which contribute to stronger, healthier hair. Magnesium deficiency has been linked to hair loss, making almond oil especially beneficial for preventing shedding. It nourishes the scalp, smooths the hair cuticle, and improves overall hair texture. With consistent use, almond oil helps hair retain moisture, reducing dryness and split ends that can slow visible growth progress. Number 9. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is a nutrient powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A, D, E, and B6, along with amino acids that strengthen hair. Its small molecular structure allows it to penetrate deeply into the scalp and hair shaft. This oil is excellent for repairing damaged follicles and restoring scalp health. It encourages growth by improving elasticity and reducing breakage, making hair appear thicker and fuller over time. Avocado oil is particularly helpful for dry, brittle, or over-processed hair. Number 10. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil doesn't directly stimulate hair growth, but it plays a critical supporting role. By keeping the scalp clean, clear, and free of buildup, it ensures that hair follicles can function properly. Its powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties help combat dandruff, itchiness, and clogged pores that can block hair growth. When used consistently in diluted form, tea tree oil creates the ideal scalp conditions for strong, uninterrupted hair growth. Achieving amazing hair growth isn't about relying on a single miracle product. It's about consistency, scalp care, and choosing oils that work with your hair's unique needs. When your scalp is nourished, balanced, and stimulated, your hair naturally follows. Whether you're looking to regrow thinning areas, retain length, or simply enjoy healthier, shinier hair, incorporating the right oils into your routine can make all the difference. Treat your scalp like the living foundation it is, and your hair will reward you with strength, resilience, and growth you can truly see. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.